Ready? So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's a new day and it's a new vlog again. Today, as you can see, we are going to Doyang for a sleepover. I'm our friend circle, and now we are going to pick up our church clerk. And this is the highway, as you can see. I hope you enjoy the video. Video. So these are his chickens. Look at them go. This is his dog Dexter.
Guys, we have reached our church clerk's place. This is the place where my friend Doyang once shot down a bird. And now we're cruising. Dexter. Guys, we have reached down. This is the main junction. Guys, this is our president. Australian Union president. And this is one of the most talented guys. A guitarist, a singer, singer, dancer. And more again. Yo guys, what's up? This is Lim Kyung's channel. Yeah, we're going to Doyang. Yeah, we're gonna be pouring hard tonight. Yeah. The good thing is we got no girls. It's just boys' night out. Yeah. There's a boys' day out actually. Yeah, it's a boys' night out, and Lim Kyung's gonna be twerking for us tonight. Yeah. And we got a pole. We got a pole, and Koji's got a pole dance for us. Yeah. And at the same time, Lim Kyung's gonna twerk. Yeah. We're gonna twerk and pole dance at the same time. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Yeah. Hello guys, we are here. Oh my god, sure. Ah shit, this is beautiful though. Guys, we are already at Rudy Resort. What is Phudong Resort, and yeah, this is the view. This is also one of the coolest guy. If there's anything that you want to take from us, take this. Learn to have fun while you're still young. Yeah, but have fun in a good way, not in a good. Because life is short. So this is our den for tonight. Andikam Grace na. Oyo. Single fan sino siya tumanggap. 힘듦을 주목했거든. 힘듦을 주목하. Guys, please like and share.
Guys, now we are cooking.
No, we are not.
No, I'm not.
No, he's not.
We're not yet. How would you like to say about this place?
Doyang place very good. Doyang, like, if you are coming to work hard and if you don't come to Doyang, then what's the point?
Yeah.
For us, we came from Koyama, so for us to enjoy like anything. Next time also if you come, it's better you bring your own MOL and all these things. Today we had to borrow all these things because some people like the cameraman and his friend, they forgot to buy oil. So we are borrowing from others. But
This British accent.
I don't know what you're trying to say. Muru tuh, nah muru sundur aja nih muru. Mana aja konyakan, ini konyakan ini kalau ini kita tahu wantu. Mana aja toyang nih mana, ini paling nih caw nih hero, masa curi tahu hero, paling literal hero, ini saya anjing lagi muru. Itu muru toyang punya hero, paling sana hero, anjing lagi muru. Lalu ini aja ini punya caw, tara beis nih aja, tara ini saya sundur pera hero, curi aja muru hero. Panas tadi kita alu thola aja. Tela halla letter sayro tik chiri kusharo itu mitha aja
Guys, as you can see, this is our lemon juice made by our president.
That's mojito. MOJITO mojito.
Oh. Hey! Hey! Guys, our barbecue is ready.
Look at the marination. Oh
This
my
is
god.
the chicken, this is the pork, and made by our president. And actually, we're supposed to use this one, but it's not burning, so we are gonna use the fire. This is the barbecue sauce.
Looks good.
This is our midnight, creation.
Shall we start?
Yeah,
모자니 그 건디시.
is it?
상주 기다봐. 예. 지올업 추도 불리래. 그거도 쉽게 해야지 쉽게. So
This is the barbecue we made. The chicken and the pork made by our president.
Made by architect. I had to design the chicken. I had to precisely season every single chicken piece. 맛있어요. 맛있는
Guys, it's all good, okay?
뻥. Bro, see this.
You're feeling hot.
Huh?
You're feeling hot.
Me?
Yeah.
I was born hot. No, I mean the weather.
Oh, the weather is hot because I'm here. Guys, it's done for tonight. We're sleeping. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Morning, guys. A new day. And as you can see, we slept in our tent. There was a little bit of a rain, but the minute is good, you know. Guys, now we are going for the boating, as you can see. Boat ride.
We are going to drive the boat.
Yeah.
We are going to ride the boat. Boat riders.
Let's see how many we can fit in.
Boat riders.
He said we can fit in only 5 people, but I hope we get adjusted soon. There's 6 of us. Say.
Hello guys, we are going to boating. So everyone just stay connected with us. We are going with life jackets. We won't die. So see you after the vlog. Dang, this is a Japanese.
You're blocking the view actually.
Kita lihat.
Siapa bang?
Sungai situ mah, yung do. Ada pelang gaming sekarang lah. Ya, pasti macam malamnya dia bilang.
Dam. Yeah, hydroelectric dam.
Nah, itu dia.
Guys, we have reached one trip after one trip. That's our camping spot. Lihat garo.
Guys, I'm toilet kami mana kuiro. Guys, we second trip pengen agak.
Guys, that was a beautiful boat riding.
What's up? Yo guys, we just got this morning. You know, I was just going down, you know, by the riverside to Lee, and this fish was struggling, so I just, you know, helped the fish die.
Yeah.
And this is our campsite.
Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video and like the video. We are going back
to where we belong.
We're sitting 4 of us in the back.
Stuck in the middle.
Yeah.
I got nowhere to go.
See the road condition. Yeah, seriously.
If I were a girl,
I really want to thank Akyongso,
if I were a girl,
our only, you know, provider, the kindest heart,
big heart,
a generous heart,
heart big.
and the coolest person I've ever met. No, all of their siblings, no, seriously, all of their siblings are really, I really adore them, and like I really look up to them, and they're setting a really like very good example. Okay, seriously. This is my friend whom I met the very first person I came to, like, when I came to Koima.
This
is the, and this is our student union president.
Hey, what's up?
This is my friend from, like, we met during the church, you know, in church. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Onion rice.
엉지 좋아. 엉지. Stuck in the middle.